Hey guys, this is Terry in Houston, Texas with my Affordaplane, and as you can see, the motor is off. Some of you guys have seen the video on the Facebook page. If not, I will bring you up to speed. So last Sunday I was out flying, and as you know guys, I have been battling a temperature issue with the rear cylinder, and I have never been able to eliminate it, and it finally did some damage to the rear piston. So I've elected to go ahead and remove the engine and send it out to Heaven Bound Aviation, see if they can determine the reason that this engine has been overheating and fix it. I'm suspecting that since this was a new engine, old stock, that there may be some seals in the back or possibly the front that I was not able to get to or see visually if there was oil leaking, but something has been causing the engine to overheat. And the Affordaplane is such a fun project, and I've had so much fun flying around out here. I want to keep it going. So this will hopefully be a good investment in having the engine rebuilt. At least I will know without a doubt that some professionals have looked at the engine and have rebuilt the engine, and when I get it back, I should be able to just bolt it right back on and see the temperatures that I'm looking for, 350, 400 degrees, and no more of these 5 and 6 and 700s. So that tells me that the problem is just getting worse since I've had the engine, and before anything bad happens to me or even the airplane, we're just going to go ahead and send it off. Like I said, Sunday when I was flying, I noticed a puff of smoke come out of one of the manifold or exhaust manifold areas, and that concerned me, so I immediately turned the airplane around and reduced power and just set the airplane in for a nice glided idle and landed right out here on the runway. It never did shut off completely, but we're not going to fly it until we get this engine rebuilt. So I did include a little bit of video today. I'm going to try to do the time-lapse photography so you guys can see. And we'll cut the music, all that out of there from the radio. But hopefully you guys will be able to see what we've done today and enjoy.